In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit content in a rich text module in HubSpot, whether you're managing website pages, landing pages, blog posts, knowledge-based articles, or marketing emails. Editing content in HubSpot can be straightforward when you know your way around. So let's delve into each step together. First, begin by navigating to the right section of your HubSpot account. For instance, if you're working on website pages, head over to Content and choose Website Pages. Similarly, for landing pages, navigate to Content and select Landing Pages. If your focus is on blog posts, you'll find them under Content and Blog. For those working on knowledge-based articles, switch to the Service section and click on Knowledge Base. Lastly, if you're editing emails, you need to venture into the Marketing section and then click on Email. Once you've navigated to the correct section, it's time to open the content you intend to edit. Locate the specific page, post, article, or email you want to modify and click on its name. This opens up the content editor where all the magic happens. Now let's activate the rich text editor. In the content editor, find the rich text module that you want to tweak. Click inside this module and you'll see a rich text toolbar appear at the top. This toolbar is your toolkit, offering various options for styling and enhancing your text. Next comes the editing itself. You can start with text formatting. Highlight any text you wish to format and use the toolbar options to make changes. From the style dropdown, you can set the style, like changing it to a heading or keeping it as a paragraph. With the font dropdown, select your preferred font type and use the font size dropdown to adjust text size. For text emphasis, you'll see icons for bold, italic, and underline. Use the color picker icons to change text or background color and create lists using the bulleted or numbered list icons. For adjusting structure, play around with indentation using its icons. And for more advanced formatting, check out the options like strike-through, superscript, subscript, or code, available under the More dropdown. If you need to insert elements, you're just a few clicks away. Using the Insert dropdown or relevant toolbar icons, you can add links by highlighting the text and entering your URL when prompted. Images can easily be added by clicking the image icon and then selecting or uploading an image as needed. You can even add CTAs, videos, tables, icons, embed code, emojis, and special characters through dedicated icons or dropdowns. Finally, don't forget to save or publish your edits. Once you're happy with the changes, click either Update or Publish, depending on the content type. This ensures your hard work is saved and your updates are live. And there you have it. Editing a rich text module in HubSpot is now a task you can handle with ease. Thanks for joining me today and see you in the next tutorial.